Hi everyone, my name is Nikita and I'm happy and excited driver of an electric vehicle. Also, I don't have a charging station at home and also I don't have a charging station at the work. So public charging is my only possibility to charge my vehicle. So the problem is more complex. It's just about optimizing the time. But as I said about the time, I don't have it so much, so probably let's speak on the way about this problem more complex view. The charging time is not the only criteria that should be considered, or not the only criteria that I, as a driver of an electric vehicles, want to be considered for me. Yes, I want also the charging costs and the battery lifetime to be optimized. At the same time, as you probably know, the fastest charging solution is not always the cheapest one, probably rather the opposite. And also at the same time, the fastest charging solution is the most damaging one in terms of battery lifetime. Yeah, so as you see, there are conflicts that arise between these objectives that I want to be considered. There has to be a comprehensive solution that takes care about all these objectives that are important to me. Yes, and in order to implement such algorithms or such approaches, we should be able to describe this problem from a mathematical point of view. The business meeting probably will take like 1 hour, so I would like to charge my vehicle during this time. Yes, and there I can use our intelligent charge planner that we developed, that will consider my personal goals, like the time that I have to charge my vehicle, and also my location, but also my specific MSP contracts that I had. As I said, I have several of them. Yes, that will have influence of a possible charging price, but also such aspect as a battery lifetime, it will be also considered. So at this time I just call this intelligent charge planner, and it will, and as you see, out of this options that are available here in the city for me, the specific options will be selected or identified depending on for which criterion I decide, or which criteria I see as the most important for me today. Like as you see, I can switch between time, I can select optimizing charging costs, I can select considering battery lifetime, and depending on my preferences, the charging options will be offered to me. So finally we arrived. We're here at the charging station, and the last step is to plug my vehicle and start charging process. At the end of the day, the algorithmic behind this solution is capable of considering all these interests. Yes, we don't need 10 apps in order to 10 objectives to be considered. We even probably don't need one new app, because the algorithm, the intelligent charge planner, it can be integrated in existing mobility solutions. Plug the vehicle. And the business meeting can start.